Hi, I'm Joyce Fields, also known as Grandma J. If you are raising kids, this book, Mother's Dozen, an easy recipe for raising great kids, is the book for you. In only 48 pages, this book guides you into raising kids who are mannerable, who love to learn, who are responsible, who maintain rules, order, and organization, who are independent, who believe in a higher power, who are affectionate, who show discipline and self-control, who are obedient, and who demonstrate patience. The awesome foreword, was written by Reverend Cecil Murray, and he calls it a handbook of excellence when it comes to preparing children for the world to come. And he also says that it systematizes the rules passed from generation to generation. Get this book at goodshortbooks.com as well as amazon.com. And it's available in Spanish. The title in Spanish is Madre, Docena. And I don't know the rest of the words in Spanish, but you'll see it, Madre, Docena. So order it at goodshortbooks.com, and please remember to write your review. You will love it. Thanks for listening. Take care.